Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Canva background remover not loading new update 2025. First of all, this tool is crucial for edits, so you will have to have the Canva background remover to load in time to make your edits look good. First of all, you are going to check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or check if your Wi-Fi connection is stable. Then you're going to update the Canva app by going to App Store, searching for Canva, and see if there is an update button available. If there is, then update your app to the latest version. After that, we're going to restart your iPhone and try it again. Quick fix: use Canva web background remover if mobile app fails. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.